And we have a clean start here in the Class 3A Girls 400-meter run. In lane number 1, the sophomore from the Brook, Charlencia Stennis. In lane number 2, we have Foster Ignofo from Geneva. Simone Carr in lane number 3 from Glenbard North. Blue Devils from Gurney, that's Warren. She's in front. Brittany Ellis, the junior. Parker English coming in third in the 100-meter dash. She's in fifth. Brianna DeRosier from Chicago, North Lawndale, the Phoenix. Jordan Shedd, she came off the 4x8. And now it's Hannah Cohn and Rayford of Aurora West. We go. It's those three. Parker English, DeRosier of North Lawndale, the Phoenix, and Brittany Ellis is falling now. It's a fight for Parker English and DeRosier. DeRosier now falling just a little bit. Parker English third in the 100, first in the 400-meter dash. DeRosier in second. Brittany Ellis, the junior from Warren, in third. Those are 53.88. An amazing run by Parker English. DeRosier, 53.92. Brittany Ellis, 54.30. Jordan Shedd coming off the 4x8, and she'll lock in the fourth spot, 56.53.